Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So let's continue with the basis of classification क्योंकि इसमें कुछ rest part रह गया था in last lesson. So today we will finish that rest part. So without wasting of time, let's start, and I hope you are very clear about the last lesson: open type, closed type, circulatory system, and diploplastic, triploplastic organization. Now let's talk about another basis of classification, that is coelomates, pseudocoelomates and acoelomates. Now the question is, what is coelom? Coelom is cavity, body cavity which is fluid filled. Cavity which is present in between the mesoderm and endoderm. In last lesson also we had learned the concept of endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm. Mesoderm means middle layer, and endoderm means inner layer, and ectoderm means outer layer. So in some animals, fluid filled cavity present between mesoderm and endoderm, which is called coelom. There are several benefits and functions of coelom, but that we will study in physiology. So abhi ke liye this is enough, and right now we have to focus on basis of classification only. Under coelom, we define three types of organisms. The first one is coelomates, second is pseudocoelomates. Pseudo means false, it was present, and the last third one is acoelomates. A means absent. Here in this diagram, you can see coelomate cavities present between endoderm and mesoderm, and coelomates are seen in higher organisms. For example, annelids, mollusks, arthropods, echinoderms, hemichordates, and chordates. And if we talk about pseudocoelomates, cavity is present in the form of a split, which is false coelom, and the mesoderm is present as a scattered pouches. Here you can see in mesoderm is present as a scattered pouches in between the ectoderm and endoderm. For example, scalemates. And the last third, acoelomates, means there is no coelom. For example, platyhelminths. Now come to next, that is segmentation. Segmentation is evolutionary features which is observed in the Animalia kingdom, and segmentation is metamerism. Metamerism segment helps the body to survive in a better way. You have seen in several organisms that if you cut their segment of their body, then also they will survive. Means the body is segmented and each segments are capable to perform their separate functions, means coordination between the segments. For example, see this lizard, उनके पूंछ कटने के बाद भी they perform their functions and survive. So next is notochord. Notochord is the phase of embryonic development, or we can say distinct feature of chordate. And if we talk about the reproduction, it may be hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means कि both sex are present on the same organisms, or unisexual. Unisexual means single sex will present, or bisexual. And you have to remember two terms, dioecious and monoecious. In dioecious, there is the separation of sex in organisms. For example, human beings, means they have a separate reproductive organ, either it is male or female. And the monoecious means there is no separation of sex organ, both are present in the same body. Then comes to development of organisms. Development occur by two processes: direct development and indirect development. Try to understand, if a baby born directly, then we call it direct development. But in few cases, larval stage comes. So where there is larval stage, this will be called as indirect development. Okay. So all these are related to reproduction. Now there are two more terms, sessile and motile. Sessile means fixed, means they cannot move from one place to another place. They are fixed at one place. And motile means they can move from here, there, and everywhere. So this is all about today's lesson. And one more important thing, ki be specific to all these words. Make sure that your concept is very very clear about all these terms, so that in upcoming lessons you can understand the things easily and able to relate to each other. And in upcoming lesson we will start from phylum. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for update. Till then, do your smart study. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much.